Hello, Mr. Asante. Good morning.
Good morning.
Odisheba na mpacho bibia boko there.
Bibia 2 year boko so as you better than that.
Mpacho, as a federation, more organizing competition, more challenges. Now, more sorry. Deco, one of my biggest games, my calendar na so. Yes, Obia Shrenin Kwa, our competition, more organizer, and no cross one challenges. How does the federation take this?
Devastating. One adjective to describe it. That's devastating. Because there should never be a time where say will be Echo Stadium or they have a doubt about the safety and now say the security. Over the period, try they are able to be to ensure say every ball game, in a safe environment. Some of the measures include strict compliance of the safety and security regulations, strict compliance of the club licensing regulations. Over here, sometimes quite starting league, Abrea teams maybe you see more original venue. Copim say, and you might say Ombeye, no more year free. For us to here say Sunday, Sabi to trust them basabasaya and course or in Swatre, are resulting in the death of a fan of Asante Twum, a very, very worrying and devastating. Sabi. Penyanim, Nansanim, Ubiba Crow, Fears or Kohebo. Now, Bekakushiana Quake a stadium where it's supposed to serve as an entertainment ground, not a home echo survey as death trap the amount spectators and footballers. It is unfortunate, but as the organizer and the institution responsible for development and organization of football, at this moment, was say you be taking, have a calm nerves, na ya playable, na yama emra, and that senior fata. And Obasha, this is not the time to be emotional. This is rather the time to be more reflective and calm. I think we have put in a number of releases in order to ensure that we have a safe environment to play our football once more.
So, like you talk about the steps you've taken, Ebia Enyamasuye, Yawada meeting with the club CEOs, then the supporters leadership on Friday. Obabuza said, Dientipana Mufreu, Mudiana Munum Kwakoka.
Well, one thing we shouldn't forget is Nana, Sabi Imperiasa. Menkai, the last time was FIFA president about Ghana. But he had international competitions for Ghana. Across and Quadadie and Madie and Peninfordie. The last time a FIFA president came to Ghana was when we were commissioning the GFA secretariat. Somewhere 08, if I am not mistaken. But from 08, we say, okay, every time we are about international games. The point I'm trying to make is Gianni Infantino shouldn't be here before we play football. Football, no. In the Pebin, no. And I yadim rano, a maomo, yadi to me, a maomo, I they organize football. There is a need for us to engage club owners, CEOs, general managers, and executives of football clubs. Say, asudia a war omono and also woman omure efi. You know, me say I have been a victim of Sanyoma ways. On 3 occasions I have been beaten at a league center. What I say? It is not the best. It be between ye na between a fear. But a whole year corner. A whole year baby I was a year death trap. But sometimes it is this same CEOs, club presidents, club owners, club administrators who instigate and almost supporters no kutupa. Emma we enema ba ko mienu miense bia. Emma ye football no en room penso aye pese edru no. There is a need for us to reconvene and look into ourselves and ask ourselves questions. Like that, assemble na ya ka ewo kasafidie so se me ne odi nkomo e. Ede na ya ka kira amanfo. Nsema ya ka kira amanfo no. It's no papa being the big brain ye game no. That is no papa brain game no. I don't know what say obi who time a team so or stadium so okudiu. What I say, you know, sabi any club owners, CEOs, administrators, general managers, a meeting, you know. We have also decided say we will engage the leadership of the various supporters groups of the clubs. A band of various supporters groups of the clubs are. Kotoko has to focus on more in the padoso. But 90% of the time, that is not where the problem starts from. It rather starts from the smaller clubs, especially when they are playing at home. You know, sabi. You see, say Bomuchichi free so I say because denchema wa. You know, it's assembly ebesi a free. There was a Asante in the dinkomo, which is why from Enra over here. All the provisions in the regulations, you know, you have to about every release statement upon statement, one after the other. The decision to close down the venue, the decision to hand over the matter to the police, especially the criminal aspect, the decision to send the safety and security chairperson to Sunyane, and now do it, wako incident scene hall, wako stadium hall, and now do it on all the Premier League clubs in the Bonga Hafu region, IMDT. We share the regional police command. We share the district police command. We share the municipal police command. We share owners and the leadership of Inswatreman. Why meetings will be aside that, you know, or no day or no. Yes, and then of course the police is also working. It's a cycle. Be a one of obey, and then the rule will be play. In order to bring the game to where it belongs.
And they said, Yemfantu your team said, Yeninda, your best answer say about Ghana Premier League. San say, more putting on hold.
But for now, Yeninda, I'm saying, I resume because they see, you know, and yeah, they are Ubu and Igusua, they, say, you 200 more, and I'm about company for also to at this point is to hold on to the competition until further notice.
Obviously, football is not only played at the Premier League level. In Tigabeanka, most suspending all football activities. Nanka, Yemweni and Shase for now. Move say in the light of this development, no Premier and Nkwana Yenyaibo.
Well, at this point, the other competitions have not recorded any incident. Division 1 this weekend, one of the Division 1 league matches. Very nice, smooth, peaceful environment. And Man League is also constant. You know, and then also you don't have to forget, there is always a calendar to follow. Life matters. Sabi nipankwa yemfan to chacha nipankwa yentuna to pray and to tuna jejemu. But na mo bi awu to be ana e wo se o hwe season so e de beba e wo hwe and facility dia obenya free mu enti then ya sisi a situation it no penny for echo asetremu no almost to adwene almost say premium no na asem aba ho a, which indeed is our premium competition. Then let's hold on until say you didn't know about to akwan nafi a breba when all the various areas and concerns have been exhausted, and indeed IGP as also I say on the football industry is also will meet you. We will go and listen to him once we are able to clear all these hurdles, no, because you cannot organize a match without security. You cannot organize a match without the health sector. Here I'm talking about paramedics, I'm talking about ambulance service, I'm talking about even the nearest venue to a hospital. Say, international matches, for instance, India Black Stars, Boboa. One of the foremost considerations is the venue of the game and its nearness to a major health facility. It is a match commissioner international MCM meeting now. So Obisa questions now. Obisa how many policemen? Obisa how many military men? Obisa how many policemen are almost share uniform? Obisa ambulance? Obisa doctors? The next question will be question number 5 or 6. The distance between the match venue and the nearest hospital. What it means is say before I organize a successful football match, you know, we hear doctors, we hear physios, we hear fire service, we hear police service, and you know that they are doing engagement. And once we all arrive at a good conclusion, you know, then we will be in a better position to bring back the competition. But it shouldn't be say Premier League SMSC or OG and not should affect the other competition. That is where we think we need to pay attention to now and kind of there. And to us, for now, that is the position of the FA.
Minya, Yangu Ponchao say Oni Akase da sepa.
And I'm Smithers.
Nazana no mantunka.
Nazana no sa can I say ambush market no na
Miri package mo. Miri package mo na mi ambush ni free mu.
We ambush ni free mu.
Aye.
A board better no more discuss.
Na do tia no boni team coach said obi ni kasa.
Your proposal will be fully reviewed.
Thank you for your time, bro.
Yes, bro.
Hey, Asante, Ekasama, the Ghana Football Association. Once I make us say, the medical appetite for choice said, Kotoko press conference here, IGP, and Omukoye no. Nanki the Hunsam airba, but the intimi anya sound in ye. They say, Yan just said, Yan Sabeka na ye tie lawyer or